Hello everyone, this quick tutorial will explain the process of setting up your Beanstack account through the Beanstack Tracker app. So when you first open the app, you want to click the Get Started button, and then it will ask you if your school, library, or bookstore already uses Beanstack. So for us, as York County Libraries, you will say Yup, and then it opens your keyboard for you to search for the words York County, and when you search it, we will be the first one on the list that says York County Libraries with PA behind it. And then it will give you the option to sign in if you already have a username or password, but if not, you can sign up directly through the app by clicking the Don't Have an Account Sign Up button at the bottom of your screen. And then it will ask you a few questions. Do you have a library card? You can say, yes, I have a library card, or no, I do not. If you do not have a library card, please go to our website, yorklibraries.org, to sign up for a library card online. And we will send you your library card information in an email and mail you your card later on. So click Yes, I have a library card to continue. From here, then you will enter your library card number. If you are a parent with multiple readers, we recommend setting up the account using your library card number. After you've entered your library card, you can now create a username and password for the account. After you've entered your account information, you can then hit the Continue button in the bottom corner. From here, you can tell your first and last name and hit the Continue button. Now it's time to add contact information. Email is optional, but we recommend adding it so that you're emailed when you or your child earns a new reward. Then you can select your library from the list below. After your account has been created, you can then begin to add readers to your account. By tapping the Fill Out My Reader Profile button, you will create a reader profile for the person listed as the account creator. If you select Add a Reader, you will create a reader profile for someone other than the account creator. Make sure you have each additional reader's library card nearby to complete reader setup. If you selected the Fill Out My Reader Profile button, some of the information will be filled out for you, including your library card number and your first and last name. Then you can go in and fill out some more details about yourself to help complete the reader profile setup. Once you reach this page, you then have the option to enroll in any challenge that may be relevant to the age of the person you're adding the reader profile for. Tap the Register button to enroll in the program. This option then allows you to receive emails based on the books you may have logged on the account. So if you choose Send Recommendations, your reader will receive emails based on the books he or she has read. And your reader profile is complete. You can then add another reader from this page or select I'm done adding readers to complete the setup.